We can also do a tug test. You know, you and your man, you can tell him he got one little tug in him. Don't do too much.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. I don't know if it's Wine and Wigs Wednesday or it's Wine and Wigs Day. In this video today, we're going to be talking about another wig, a delightful, beautiful, gorgeous, short, little, easy breezy wig. First of all, you can't even tell that this is a wig on my head. The wig that we're talking about is this wig right here. First, I want to say thank you to Iseehair for sponsoring this video. This wig, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about her. She is the Brazilian Kinky Curly Bob from Iseehair.com. I've actually worked with them before, and I'll go ahead and leave a link for a wig. I think I did like an Amazon wig review for them, so I can go ahead and leave that up above. I've worked with them before. Great curly wigs. We love them. Wonderful gowns, beautiful gowns. But this wig that I have on my head is the Brazilian Kinky Curly Bob in 12 inches. It is 150% density, so she's not thick at all. It's 150% density, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I did trim it a little bit, but this is a 12-inch wig, but I cut her to my liking. This wig came with 4 combs and adjustable straps. When you receive the wig, of course, you're going to receive the wig in this packaging. And then inside the packaging, it comes with gifts. The gifts are some big old lashes that are elephant lashes. Girl, they're way too big for my eyes. If you want to blink like this, that's for you. And a pack of wig caps as well. So when I received it, I washed it. The frontal was a little bit dry. I had to do a couple of things to make the wig look like this. It looks so realistic. It looks like it's something that could grow out of my scalp. And that's what we were going for. So if you want to see how I created this really realistic Babiana moment, just please keep on watching, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start off by applying this beautiful wig. Well, look at her. She's got a different sort of look. She's got some little bouncy curls. The curls at the top are really kind of more puffy, but we're gonna work with that. We're gonna deal with that later. Like I told you in the beginning, this wig has 4 combs and adjustable straps. It has a tinted sort of lace, but the lace is a little bit more like light-skinned, and I'm not that light-skinned. I'm a little more brown. We need to pluck this wig. Now, I will say that Iseehair knows how to do a little bit of a pre-pluck. Like, you can leave your hairline as is, but I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna try to show up the girl. So we already brushed back our baby hairs. We're good on that. And we're gonna put on the wig grip. And I'm using the wig grip right now, not to apply the wig, but it's gonna be a secure base for me to pluck the hairs in the front to make it thin out. And it stops the wig from moving around. So it doesn't matter where I place it. I could place it on my forehead and it will be fine. Okay, let's go ahead and toss on the wig so y'all can see what she's giving, what she's looking like. But this is what the wig is looking like. Okay. And y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know I use an eyebrow kit for my hairline. So this is my wig customization kit, my little DIY wig customization kit. All you need is some tweezers. Of course, tweezers are in your eyebrow kit. And you need some scissors to trim your lace. I'm gonna do like light plucking. So we've plucked out about this much hair, not too much. Like, this is not as much as I usually pluck out, so this is good. Whoo, okay, so she's all puffed out and ready to go. This is actually cute. Okay, fro. We love a good fro, but I think I'm gonna do a center part. I'm a center part girl, and I want like bangs and curls, and I want it to look super cute. Now it is time to cut the lace. Now I need to cut my lace over my ears as well, so we need to part this section out. The hairline looks pretty similar to my hairline, like the shape of it, so I don't need to cut off any extra hairs or anything. We just need to follow the yellow brick road, girl. Follow the yellow brick road. Ooh, I shouldn't have cut the lace. Oopsie daisy. I definitely should have kept the lace on. Big mistake, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my flattening souffle. And we're just gonna add some of flattening souffle to the hairline. It's so much easier to do this when you have the lace on. So since we added the flattening mousse already, we can just go ahead and brush back the hairs. Ooh. Okay, so that's all pushed back, and now we're gonna take some of our rapid styling strips, and we're just gonna wrap it around the hairline because we want to flatten it. Now, girl, I already messed up, so hopefully this turns out correct. If not, then we can still fix it. Don't worry about it. Place this on the hairline so we can make sure this stays secure. So we're just gonna leave this on here and then let that dry. I'm gonna go ahead and get my blow dryer and see if I can dry her down just a teeny bit faster. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. I hope it's dry because I used the blow dryer on it. So, okay, so now that we got that side completely dry, we need to use our hot comb. So we have our Andis hot comb. We're gonna turn that all the way up. We're gonna get her hot. So I'm keeping my wig where my wig grip is because we're about to flatten it with the flat iron, and I don't want to burn my forehead. Please do not do this on your forehead. You won't have nothing to stick your wig to. My wig grip is pretty thick, so it protects my head from burning and stuff like that. Or you can do this on a mannequin head. Please don't do this on your forehead, girl, and blame it on me. Okay, and I'm gonna take the comb. I'm gonna put it through the hair and then shift it upwards just a little bit. We are not combing through this hair. Y'all see how that looks? That's cute. Now that we've got that done, we're gonna take the wig off and we're going to prep this base. We're not doing a wig grip today. No, ma'am. And any of the hairs, baby hairs that want to lay down, it's gonna brush them back. There we go. And next, we're gonna do our bald cap method. The Iseehair bald cap method takes 2 seconds. Okay, I take a wig cap that is my shade and then I just pop her on. Y'all already know that, I mean, I'm not that girl. I don't have the patience for that. So, close enough. From far away, I look bald. So, we're just going to pop on the wig and see where we need her to sit. Not too far up, girl. You ain't going to have no forehead. And now we're about to apply our wig. So I like to use the Got to Be Glued High Insta Hold Spray. And I'm just going to spray. We're going to take the brush that we use for coloring the hair, and I'm going to use it to apply this to my hairline. So I'm going to go right here and then follow the hairline. Okay, so we're melting down the hairline, and right now I want to style the hair. I gotta be honest with y'all. So the hair is curly, but she's giving dry, and the frontal's a little bit drier. Granted, I did dry this hair with a blow dryer, so that may have dried out the hair. I don't know, but we're gonna add some moisture back into it to bring back the life. So we're gonna use a couple of products to bring back the life in this hair. So I'm gonna use this water bottle that I got from Amazon. Let me take these earrings off because we're not just gonna add a little water to it. Just need a little water, just a little water. I'm gonna use the Coil Calm Detangler on the hair. So let's just spray some in here. Ooh. I have been using this on my wigs for a while, so I like the stuff. It does its job. So we're just adding a little bit of moisture to the hair. Yes, all she needed was a little bit of moisture, that's all. Okay, I'm gonna take some mousse. Now this mousse is flaky, okay? She does give flake, but we hope this is not gonna be flaky inside the hair. So this is the Locking and Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse. Ooh, oh, what a mess. And we're just gonna put it in the hair because we're really trying to mold this situation down. Well, she's starting to look like my hair. Hello. Taking my Tangle Teaser, or what do you call this? Like a dimming brush. And I'm just clumping the curls together, brushing through them, making sure the curls are popping. We need to go ahead and get to this part, girl. Girl, this is taking some work. Ooh. I'm gonna part the hair here. Yeah, that's good. The parting space is good. Come on, ISEE. I see you. I see what you're doing. We're gonna turn back on the hot comb. This thing is dangerous, y'all. Keep your kids away from your hot combs, girl. I'm gonna let that hot comb zoo what it zoo. What I wanted to do was cut a little bit of a bang. We're gonna cut these bangs. So, just gonna cut it. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Then I'm just gonna trim these ends on this side because the ends are a little bit dry. So this is turning out real cute. So now that we trim that up, I want it to flatten, but I don't want it to be like super duper flat. So, oh, ow, 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 ow. I think I burned my scalp, y'all. So the hair is now about to dry. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my diffuser. So I have this Revlon blow dryer from Target. Girl, it was only like, I think it was 15 bucks. So I'm just gonna diffuse the hair and get her all fluffed up. So I'm gonna use my diffuser on cool and high. Turn her on high. She's not even plugged in. So y'all look at these curls. It's so pretty. It looks so good. So good. First, we need to go ahead and put down these baby hairs. Y'all know I'm a baby hair queen now. So we're just gonna take a teeny bit of hair, like a teeny tiny bit. We're trying to take a sliver of hair. This is perfect. We're gonna clip it in this area. I'm just gonna cut that down. You see how it disappeared? Like, where did my baby hairs go? And we're going to use our little baby hair brush. You can get one of these from Amazon. I got this in like one of my wig packs, but We're gonna go ahead and tie her down just real quick because I like to melt my baby hair. So, and then we'll be done. Thank God, because I got dinner to eat. So we're gonna leave this on just for a few minutes. We'll do the big reveal after that. Who's excited? Okay. Oh, you gotta be careful with these papers, honey. Ooh. Oh, that's so much better. I need her to be bigger, stronger, and better. This is exactly what I wanted. So this is the finished look. Y'all, look how cute this wig is. Look at these curls. We can also do a tug test. You know, you and your man, you can tell him he got one little tug in him. Don't do too much. I can show you the back. We got a lace liftation situation right here. Get out of my business. But it looks so natural. Absolutely love this wig. Thank you to Iseehair for sponsoring this video and providing this wig to me. So y'all, tell me what you think if you like this wig, or if you'd like me to do more curly hair wig videos, like a dedicated segment with that. I can definitely do it because curly hair is my judge, it's been my judge. So let me know if that's what y'all want me to do. So we also have a coupon code. If you want to get $6 off your wig purchase, you can use the coupon code listed down below. Check my description box. It has all of the information that you need down below. Anyway, I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. While you're here, go check out my other videos. I have a curly hair playlist that y'all can watch while y'all are here. So watch my curly hair playlist if you are interested in curly wigs. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.